Hello there and welcome to this week's update by Valet.io. I'm Valerio and I'm part of the WordPress maintenance team here at Valet. WooCommerce 3.9.1 is out and ready to be updated on your WordPress website. Before pushing the update, please note that this new WooCommerce version will only work with WordPress 5 and PHP version 7. Please send us an email at hello@valet.io if you need assistance finding your PHP version or updating your website. Ensuring the best possible user experience for business owners with mission-critical websites is a top priority for Valet, and we announced earlier this month a partnership with Online ADA that expands online access for individuals with disabilities. They help organizations, business, and developers achieve and maintain compliance with digital accessibility requirements. With this partnership, Valet clients' websites will now have access to digital accessibility solutions that pinpoint and resolve issues of accessibility and ensures all site visitors enjoy an optimal user experience. If you want to get your website tested, we're available at hello@valet.io. That's it for the week. Have a wonderful weekend.